Greetings of the day, viewers. Let's start today's topic, data communication and network. Let's see the topics we will cover under this section. Error detection and correction, nature of errors, CRC, and Hamming code. Let's begin with error detection and correction. Data link layer uses some error control mechanism to ensure that frames are transmitted with certain level of accuracy. But to understand how error is controlled, it is essential to know what types of errors may occur. So, there may be three types of errors. Single bit error. In a frame, there is only one bit anywhere though which is corrupt. Multiple bit error. Frame is received with more than one bit in the corrupted state. Burst error. Frame contains more than one consecutive bit corrupted. Errors in the received frames are detected by means of parity check and cycle redundancy check or CRC. In both cases, a few extra bits are sent along with actual data to confirm that bits received at the other ends are the same as they were sent. CRC or cyclic redundancy check. This technique involves binary division of the data being set. The divisor is generated using polynomials. The sender performs a division operation on the bits being sent and calculates the remainder. Before sending the actual bits, the sender adds the remainder at the end of the actual bits. Actual data bits plus the remainder is called a code word. The sender transmits data bits as code words. Hamming code. Hamming code is a set of error correction codes that can be used to detect and correct the errors that can occur when the data is moved or stored from the sender to the receiver. Redundant bits. Redundant bits are extra binary bits that are generated and added to the information carrying bits of data transfer to ensure that no bits were lost during the data transfer. The number of redundant bits can be calculated using the following formula. That is, 2 raised to power r is greater than or equal to m plus r plus 1, where r is equal to redundant bit and m is equal to data bit. Now let's head towards parity bits. A parity bit is a bit appended to a data of binary bits to ensure that total number of ones in the data is even or odd. Parity bits are used for error detection. There are two types of parity bits. Even parity bit. In case of even parity, for a given set of bits, the number of ones are counted. If that count is odd, the parity bit value is set to 1, making the total counts of occurrences of ones an even number. If the total number of ones in a given set of bits are already even, the parity bit value is 0. Odd parity bit. In case of odd parity, for a given set of bits, the number of ones are counted. If that count is even, the parity bit value is set to 1, making the total count of occurrence of ones an odd number. If the total number of ones in a given set of bits is already odd, the parity bit of value is 0.